Does that work?
Sure, yeah. We have to be at the airport at what, 5?
Yeah. Even if it's only after 5, but yeah, 5.
Hey guys, welcome to Arusha vlog. It's currently 4 in the morning. We woke up at 3:30. I went to bed around 1, so this is gonna be fun. This is gonna be interesting. Outfit of the day, airport style edition. Let's do this. I actually like it. Sweatshirt, leggings, all stars, bag, all black. Let's get it. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you. Let's see the sun and have some fun.
Welcome to Arusha vlog. It's currently 11:18. We landed here around 7:10 and then we went out and met my dad. Yeah, fun. It's been a fun, exciting morning. I know. How you doing, baby?
I'm good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It was a great experience. It wasn't a great experience, I'm lying. I was very terrified. I might have shit my pants. But it went so great. Better than I expected. And then right now we are at Arusha Coffee House. I think by now it's called Arusha Coffee House by Elewano. We are about to do brunch and then plan out the itinerary for the day and the trip in general. I just thought I'll jump in, check in. It's also very cold. And that feels super weird given that I'm born and raised here, but no man, it's cold. But we'll touch base in a jiffy. Here we are having a Zanzibar macchiato. Look at that. I mean, love of my life next to the love of my life. All my lives. Yeah. Is here. I'm having a chicken burger with extra cheese. Looks yum. And his son is having
Mushroom, zucchini, pesto pizza.
We like?
Yeah.
The layer's different.
Bread, yeah. The crust is.
It's more bread
kind of a
than
pita
pizza.
bread.
How do I do this?
I don't like toppings. Yeah.
but that was on you.
Did that for you.
Babe, hold on. We did this in the morning. No food, juice.
Juicy beer.
Except now this is mostly turning me on. Anything. Stop doing it like that.
Sorry.
Do you have to sexualize it? Hey guys, the brunch is amazing. We are having a hard time picking up accommodation. I love 2 units and his son likes 2 different units. So the battle right now is to see who will convince the other one. We'll be spending a night in Arusha town tonight, and then tomorrow we'll be headed out to Manyara, and the day after also we'll be in Manyara, but we'll leave the afternoon of that, and then in the evening we have a flight to Dar es Salaam. And that's that. Mama likes. Mama.
I think it's a class.
That one's very free class, right? Hi. We are at the private chalet in Arusha. I just kept quiet so that you guys could hear how quiet this place is. It's really great. That's the view. Thank you, studio. We are at the private cabin in the northwest part of Arusha. Hey, how do you like me now? Let's do a quick room tour. This is how the room looks, basically. You have an opening porch with that view on the front. We'll get to the porch in a minute. Coming in, you have a bed, decent size, a sitting space, this metal wooden trunker, which I think is a chest of drawers, workstation over here, 2 side tables, a fan, kettle, a teapot, and then the bathroom. Boom, boom, lights. And the bathroom looks like this. You have a single sink and
A bathtub.
a bathtub. And it's clean.
Yeah.
What is that? There's a spider though.
You guys want help with that?
No, I'm not going in. Let's get to the porch. And this is this. Wait, is it? Are you recording?
Yeah.
The porch has a private sitting spot, secluded. There is eucalyptus. I just found out this 2 minutes ago and I remembered. They get points.
Yeah.
And that's on that. So Anisan is gonna lay down. He needs to be horizontal for about 3 hours. He can't function like the rest of us with
3 hours of sleep.
I didn't have 3 hours, I had 2. And I'll be doing my own thing. You know me, I'll be busy. And I'll talk to you guys later. Peace. Hey guys, good evening. It is currently 19:41. We are about to jump out for dinner. We have 2 plans on the itinerary. I wanna be in bed, snuggled up and loved, right? And his son wants to go out. I also love the idea of going out, but it's hella cold. So we're gonna have a warm dinner and see how we're feeling after that. I totally did not pack for any of this trip. Okay, I did, but I did not, because I went with Zanzibar but safari vibe. I got Annie's son's jacket, and I'm wearing a legging inside and a sweatshirt. I'm already warming. I need to get socks on my way out. But that's on that. This evening we spent time taking pictures. You guys will see them if you haven't already. They'll be on my Instagram. I linked there. So let's go for dinner. Let's go.
Show me the car where you turning me on. The way you telling me you wanted me down. Done it, I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break hearts real fast like gunman. Wanna swim down to the deep end.